The Great Migration brings the humans and the dolphins al momento sa Venezuela Philippines. One team Mindanao Italia.
The joy, the way the water rises up. Did you see that? Yeah, it was very big. We're taking their friend. We are talking about the best dolphins in the world. We are right now in the best place in the world. This place is for friends and family. This place is for everybody. That's why I say to everybody, Habibi, welcome to Dubai. The power and the joy, all thanks to His Highness. May the good Allah shower His blessings on the river, on our beautiful, our handsome ruler. Whoosh!
Ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, everybody be ready. We will travel to the magical world of dolphins and we will come back to Dubai Dolphin Union in the same moment. Because it's time for Dolphin Survey! With some waves, some water splashing, we will travel during the ocean, during the sea. You know what? The sun speed, the dolphin's power, and our Medina's passion. People with here. We will show you the real magic with our bubbles. You know friends, somebody said before, for happiness, Habibi come to Dubai. That's why it's an amazing country. But I will tell everybody all the time, for the magic of the ones, with the lovely dolphins, haha, Habibi, come to Dubai. Dolphinia! Fantastic. Both of them.